Carefully insert the fully connected panel into its opening. Your space may dictate whether the top or bottom is inserted first. Once that is in, push the rest of the panel into place. Use shims to center the panel in the opening, creating equal gaps on all sides. Use additional shims as necessary to obtain your desired level. Fasten the panel to the post using the appropriate fasteners. Check the center level and add shims as necessary before fastening. Fasten the level portion of your panel to the frame. Ensure the opposite side is fully level before and after fastening. Once your desired level is reached, add fasteners to secure the panel in place.